Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the exact Microsoft account tied to Game Pass. This matters because subscriptions are account-specific. Once signed in, make sure you know which device you'll use, console, PC app, or web browser, since navigation differs slightly. Have your payment method visible in case you need to confirm billing details. Now open the Microsoft Account Services page or the Xbox Settings app and navigate directly to subscriptions, so you can find Game Pass without delay. You'll now navigate the cancellation flow. On the Services and Subscriptions page, locate Xbox Game Pass and click Manage. This centralizes billing and renewal controls. Once you choose Cancel, read the options. You may see Pause, Switch Plan, or get a prorated refund if eligible. Make a clear choice. If you stop recurring billing, the membership remains active until the period ends. Keep an eye on confirmation screens. They state when access actually ends and whether any refunds apply. Finish by verifying the confirmation email that shows the cancellation and the exact end date so you know how long you'll keep access. Make sure you don't have overlapping memberships through family or alternate accounts which could auto-renew. If you don't get confirmation or the Manage button is missing, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and re-sign in. If that fails, contact Microsoft support while referencing your Microsoft account email. Doing this resolves most access and billing anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.